In this problem, we're told that the mean height of 15 to 18-year-old males from Chile from 2009 to 2010 was 170 centimeters with a standard deviation of 6.28 centimeters. Male heights are known to follow a normal distribution. And we're told to let X equal the height of a 15 to 18-year-old male from Chile in 2009 to 2010. I didn't copy down all of the words for purposes of space. You might want to go back to the problem on the actual page. With part A, it says, suppose a 15 to 18-year-old male from Chile was 176 centimeters tall from 2009 to 2010. The z-score when x equals 176 centimeters is, and then there's a space. This z-score tells you that x equals 176 centimeters is blank standard deviations to the blank right or left of the mean, and then listing what the mean is. And we'll put that all in the answer. But the key is we're finding the z-score for 176 centimeters. So if we look at the formula for a z-score, z equals the value minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. Our value is 176 centimeters. Our mean is given in this little, the first value in parentheses over here, that would be the mean, and then this would be the standard deviation. The n means, so basically this means x is an element of a population with a mean of 170 and a standard deviation of 6.28. So our mean is 170. We divide that by our standard deviation of 6.28, and that gives us approximately 0.955. So what this means is, it means 176 centimeters, the value in question, is 0.955 standard deviations to the, this would be right, because 0.955 is positive, to the right of the mean, which again was given to us as 170 centimeters. Now with part B, we're given a z-score, and we're asked to find the height. What it says on the actual page online, part B, suppose the height of a 15 to 18-year-old male from Chile in 2009 to 2010 has a z-score of z equals -2. What is the male's height? The z-score, z equals -2, tells you that the male's height is blank standard deviations to the blank of the mean. So the main question is, we want to know what's x. So with our formula, we have again the value. So z equals the value minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. So what we have is, we're given a z-score of -2, so -2 equals the value minus the mean, which we know is 170 centimeters, divided by the standard deviation, which is 6.28. And this gives us that x equals -2 times 6.28 plus 170. If we solve for x, that's what we get. And then solving for simplifying this, -2 times 6.28 plus 170, that gives us that x equals 157.44 centimeters. So what this tells us, z equals -2 tells us that the value we found, 157 0.44 centimeters is 2 standard deviations below or to the left of the mean, 170 centimeters.